icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Okay guys, so this is it. I just got finished with it. I had to go in and make some minor, cuts because one side was like up too high. So I just had like one piece of hair left. And this is it. I love it. Love it. I'm so proud of myself with this. Y'all, this is not an expensive hat. This is just like an off-brand hat. Just like my brown hat I got, but it's got straps in the back. The real one has, what's it called? It's a snapback. This is a Velcro one, so, but yeah. Can y'all really see it? But yeah, anyway, I love this. I'm so proud of myself. So, let me show y'all. This is it. Show y'all the back. I'm in a tight spot, but so yeah, I love it. I will do this again. I will have everything linked down below what I used and everything like that. So, yes, honey, you can wear it with your ear out. So yeah, you know, just this is an easy little quick little do. You know, if you gonna travel, get on a plane or something like that, you can easily just do this beforehand and wear it, stuff like that. So this comes in handy. Yes, I still got my red hair, but this comes in handy when I don't want to wear my hair that day or stuff like that. So, but yes, y'all. Yes. So that's gonna be it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, because I know I did. So, but anyway, y'all, yeah. But if you have any questions or anything how I did this or anything, you can comment down below or you can DM me, stuff like that. But anyway, so that's gonna be it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join me. Watch what I have next. Bye, y'all. Love y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.